Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here with me today. Today we're going to be discussing something and I'm going to be showing you a little bit about how to do what is called a tip-in. If you're unfamiliar with that, I was too. Someone asked me about it and I said I have no idea what that is, but I will figure it out, and that's what I did. So, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss this craziness all the time. And if you're returning, that's because you are part of the crazy, and I'm so glad you are here. We're going to have so much fun today. So this was a spread I actually did just last night on my live stream, so that's why it's open to this. But we're going to be using this planner to illustrate what a tip-in is. A tip-in is a word that was used in describing for bookmakers. This is, again, this knowledge, I did not go very delve deep in the knowledge of where it originated from, so it's very vague of what I know. But a tip-in was basically when bookmakers would make a book and then they wanted to add something or take something away, or really just add something that they had missed, they would do what they call tipping it in and adding that page in, and it's just a way to add that page into the book so it stays where it should. Now, they have a more formal way of doing it. That's where the word came from. In the planner world, it is basically the same idea, but just creating a makeshift way to add something to your planner that you traditionally would not have been able to otherwise. Now, if you are using a happy planner and you are on the disc system, it's very easy to add things and take things away if you have a punched item. But if you do have another planner that maybe it's not as easy, or you want to do more journaling and add things with it, this is good for any type of planner, any type of journal, any type of thing that you want to add more to. So we're going to use this as an example. I'm going to have some top events here. So for June, I'm going to get out a pen. I'm going to choose pink. Don't know why. That was just the color I decided. And I like the fine tip. Events this month. Top events this month. We have... Okay, we're going to leave that with there for right now, so you get the idea. Now we're going to take this sweet little card. You're so loved. This is a little Erin Condren inspo card. And on the back, I'm just going to write a note that reminds myself to be happy. And then I'm going to take a sticker, because you know I love some stickers all the time, every day. Where's the sticker book I want? Oh, whatever, we'll go with this one. I'm going to go down here. Now, the point of this doesn't really have anything to do with the actual... I'm just going to take this off again because it's cute. The point of this is, what I'm writing on here really doesn't have anything to do with it. But what I'm going to use this for is to cover up this portion of information, and it'll be there as I want it. So what we're going to do, take your favorite washi, get the tape across the top, tape it where it needs to go. Simple, right? Okay, now there's washi under there. And what we're going to do is we're going to take tape across the bottom, and we're going to do the same thing. Simple. And basically what the purpose of it is, when you get the tape correct, and sometimes it might take a few times to try, once you get the tape correct, it should act as like a hinge for you to see what you want to keep in there. And then all you're going to do, very simply, is just find scissors, wherever they may be, and cut off the excess that you don't need. Or whatever cutting device you want. And again, I placed this right to cover that portion of it. You could use it for lots of different things in the planning world. People use them for photos. They use them in their journal. They use them a lot in memory planning. But you would just have this little hinge that would allow you to see what's underneath. There are some journaling stickers that are like this, but what I do like about this is that you like maybe you don't want to cover up what's underneath right here. Maybe you just want to add something to it that you want in there. This acts as a way to do that. You can also put it on a certain date if you have something that maybe you want to not cover up, but you want to be able to remember more about it or something more detailed to it if you have anything like that. And this is also a great way in your weekly plans if you have something that you want to take a little bit more noteworthiness on, but still want it in that great location. So basically, in the planner world, it is essentially just two pieces of washi with a little hinge action going on. I'm going to show you again in a different location. Let's do one right here. And this time, let's do one of these bad boys. So in this situation, obviously, this is a Happy Planner product, so it is, you know what, I should have thought about that. I'm actually going to use that. Okay. This is a Happy Planner product, so you have ready to go already with the punched items, but maybe you don't want them punched like that. Maybe you want it punched in a different angle and you want to have it accessible to be able to read it, at a later date. So no need to worry about that. We will fix that. I will put it right here. And then we're going to just flip this over. And put it probably lower. Again, I'm not like the expert in having tried this very much. This is new to me, but I think it's a very common and easy way to be able to accomplish a goal that you might have. And getting that angle right is always a little bit of a challenge, so it does take a couple times, at least for me. I mean, maybe some of you are more skilled at it. Okay, and then kind of wiggle it around. Sometimes you have to wiggle the other side of the tape too. All right, and there we go. So then we're going to go back to the native way in which I want it. And I'm going to cut off the excess. And you can pick whatever washi you want to keep the theme going that you want. I also, if you don't like the rough ends of the washi, you could stick little stickers there or whatever. But there you go. Now you have this little flapped area that's hinged in here. And I would say it's pretty secure. I mean, I wouldn't like yank on it or tug on it or super pull on it, but it's pretty secure. And so you can put whatever you want underneath here and then just cover it up with some notes that you want. The good thing about washi, like I said, is if you want to pull it out after you're done using it for that purpose, it's super easy to do. It is, it's just really easy to do. So do it. Do it. If you have any questions about this, please leave them in the comments below. This was new to me, but I will answer them. And I would love if you could add anything to this that might make it better for other people, because this is very new to me. I'm sure there's so many more things you can do with this that I just don't know about. And I would love to hear from you. So please leave that in the comments below. Any other questions, concerns, or comments, I would love to hear from you. It's very important to me that you leave me any feedback that you have, and I just can't wait to share this with you. So, all right, everyone, I will see you in the next video. Have a great rest of your day.